In this video, I will show you how to set default font in MS PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps a lot. So let's dive in. Now, first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Okay, from here, now go on View. On top, click on View. Now click on Slide Master right over here. Click on it. From here, go on Fonts. Now select whatever font you desire. I'm going with Arial Black. Okay. Now click on Close Master View. That's it. Now all the slides you will see, all the slides you will select will be in this font. So that's it for the video. That's how you can set default font in MS PowerPoint. There's not any another way. So thanks for watching.